Hey, this is Joe from Webs Online, and today we're going to unbox the Pondmaster Mag Drive Waterfall and Skimmer pump. Alright, so let's open it up. A couple fittings. One other fitting, hiding. Instruction manual on the very bottom. So this is a magnetic drive pump, specifically built for mainly in skimmers. It's a very small, compact unit. You see it stands less than about a foot tall, less than maybe 8 inches in diameter. Vertical discharge, which is nice. You don't have to mess with an elbow assembly. Discharge is coming straight up vertical. Rugged handle. Looks like you have a nice slotted pre-filter screen on the bottom. This is removable. You have a 20-foot grounded plug-in. In the fittings they supply, looks like they give you a check valve, which is nice. This prevents backflow, so if you're running this pump to, say, a biological waterfall, you want to install this check valve for when the pump's off, all that debris and that bioflow doesn't run back down through the pump into your pond. Then they give you fittings for, looks like 1.5 inch plumbing. So you have a thread to barb for right on the pump. If you were to run PVC, then you use this thread to slip, then you can use your check valve. So these pumps are completely oil-free, 100% fish safe. Replacement impellers are available, which is the only really moving part in these pumps. One other larger model, this is the 2000, there is a 3000 model also available. For any other questions on this pump, feel free to give me a call. Joe from Webs Online.